restless tonight, 'cause I wasted the line. Between both these lines, I drew a really thin line. It's nothing I planned, not that I can, but you should be mine across that line. If I traded it all, if I gave it all away,